The Redmi Note 5 Pro will also feature a 5.9-inch Full HD Plus display with 2160 by 1080 pixels resolution with 18 by 9 aspect ratio. It comes with a 2.5D curved glass on top with 415 nits brightness, 83% NTSC color gamut, and 1500 by 1 contrast ratio. The phone is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 636 processor, along with Adreno 509 GPU. It will be available in 3 models: 3GB RAM with 32GB storage, 4GB RAM with 64GB onboard storage, and 6GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. There's also a microSD card slot for expanding the storage capacity up to 128GB. This one comes with a dual camera setup at the back. It packs a 12-megapixel primary camera sensor with dual-tone LED flash with f2.2 aperture and face detection autofocus, and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor with f2.0 aperture. On the front, it features a 20-megapixel front-facing camera with Sony IMX376 sensor and LED flash. The phone comes with a fingerprint sensor at the back, as well as the infrared sensor on top. In terms of connectivity options, it supports 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth 4.2. It is also powered by a 4000 mAh battery. Xiaomi is going to launch Redmi Note 5 smartphone at the launch event tomorrow in India. Along with the Redmi Note 5, the company has also launched the Redmi Note 5 Pro, as well as the Mi TV 4. Now, ahead of the official launch, specifications of both the phone's Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro have surfaced online. The leaked image also reveals the phone's design. As expected, the devices will come with a full-screen display, an 18 by 9 aspect ratio.